The MANSORY Elongation Tesla Cybertruck, a radical transformation of one of the most futuristic electric trucks on the market. Exterior. Various add-on parts made of full carbon are available for customizing the exterior. Tesla's Cybertruck has one of the most unusual bodies in automobile construction. In order to meet MANSORY's high and brand-typical demands on appearance and aerodynamics, the MANSORY designers install various full-carbon add-on parts on the entire car and push the martial appearance of the vehicle a little further into the extreme, making the MANSORY Elongation a real MANSORY at first glance. Wheels. The MANSORY Elongation comes with 26-inch FD.15 rims. Thanks to their special aluminum alloy, these rims, 11-inch wide, are designed for both the high performance and the high wheel loads of the MANSORY Elongation. MANSORY recommends high-performance tire in the dimension 315/40R26 on the front and rear axles as the optimal tires. Front and rear bumper are made of full carbon, and extravagant fender extensions, including the two rear wings, bear the classic signature of the MANSORY designers and make the MANSORY Elongation unmistakable. Interior. Only the finest materials are used in the interior of the MANSORY Elongation. For example, full leather upholstery and various carbon parts are used according to the customer's individual wishes. High-gloss polished paint surfaces or carbon parts, depending on the customer's wishes. In the cockpit, impress in a noble way and complement the quilted seats and leather surfaces in the interior according to the customer's wishes. Precisely crafted embroidery of the MANSORY lettering in the seats and floor mats sets additional accents.